Hello everyone, Sergio Rivera with Patrick Cadillac here with exciting news to share with you. The first fully electric Cadillac vehicle, the fascinating 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ Debut Edition, will be in our showroom before you think. In fact, you can order yours starting September 18, 2021 at 3 p.m. Central Time. That's the spark, don't miss out. The 7-step ordering process is simple. You're going to go to patrickcadillac.com and then click on the button that says Reserve Yours. From there, you're going to need to select Patrick Cadillac as your preferred retailer and select the 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ all-electric SUV. Once you provide your personal information, review your order and submit a $100 refundable deposit. Your reservation will be locked in for the LYRIQ. From there, you will receive a confirmation and our team will contact you via your preferred communication method within 3 business days of your order being placed to complete the process and confirm any additional details. At this point, you can also choose any accessories or protection plans or even request a trade-in evaluation if applicable. After your reservation is confirmed, and our team will maintain monthly contact with you during the entire process and provide any additional 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ products and other relevant information, including availability updates as they occur. Reservations are accepted on a first-come, first-served basis and will conclude once maximum capacity has been reached. If maximum capacity is reached, you can still share your contact information with our team and secure a 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ when they are officially available for purchase at Patrick Cadillac. Please also keep in mind that the first wave of 2023 Cadillac LYRIQs are only rear-wheel drive at this time, and you can expect to receive your 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ in June 2022. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to contact our online sales client advisor, Grant Clufetos, at 847-230-8240. The 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ expected range is 300 miles. To put that in perspective, owners of the XT5 drive about 40 miles a day. So this gives you an idea how much range you have, and you can confidently drive from point A to point B and even to point Z. Responsive performance. The LYRIQ delivers 325 pounds of torque and 340 horsepower, and with no transmission, this torque is instantly at your disposal. So you can transfer for these beautiful roads in Illinois or Wisconsin or wherever your destination is. You enjoy the drive immensely. No noise, quietness, it's another experience. Rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive options. If you have the rear-wheel drive, you have one motor, and if you have the all-wheel drive, you will have 2. So you can experience the traction and the power that you need, depending on your traveling needs or your preference, but you have the choice. Lightning fast charging. With the available dual onboard charging package, LYRIQ will offer home level 2 AC charge rates up to 52 miles per charging hour, and DC fast charging and public charging stations up to 76 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Ultium propulsion. GM's Ultium propulsion system helps deliver near perfect weight distribution and a lower center of gravity, which gives you exceptional performance and stability and makes the car very agile and athletic. You will expect nothing else than futuristic technologies from a Cadillac electric vehicle, and the LYRIQ don't disappoint. These are some of its crowning technologies. Super Cruise. Super Cruise is a hands-free driving system. Will let you enjoy traveling long distances without having to hold the steering wheel or even apply the brakes or the gas pedal. AKG Studio Sound system. That's a high quality, preferred by the highest level musicians in the world, for a sound that will absolutely blow your senses. Augmented reality heads-up display. A 33-inch curved screen with twice the resolution of a 4K television will give you clarity no matter how much ambient light exists. At Patrick Cadillac, we're thrilled to enter the electric era with this phenomenal car, the 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ. Here at Patrick Cadillac in Schaumburg, Illinois, we'll be with you all the way to assist you in anything you need to order your 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ. This LYRIQ will get stuck in your head.
Taking care of you every day, that's the Patrick